never do my cat, baby. Don't be recording, bitch. Record everything.
This is funny.
How the fuck is it funny?
You getting mad? Cause she called. Cause she
mad.
Right. She get mad because I said her cat bigger.
Right.
Princess is not bigger.
If she wasn't big, she would be his princess.
Princess is not bigger. My cat is a normal sized cat. Unlike that little mutt right there.
She's called a cat mutt.
Cause that's a mutt.
A mutt is a dog.
Right, that's how big you is. You are a mutt.
You scare her.
Hell. Let her catch Deidre off.
And I thought Chanel was a bully to Dora all the time. But this the biggest one.
Exactly. You said like we for real. We
Why is you throwing stuff?
Why are you recording?
Cause it's funny.
You put that on that on YouTube or Facebook, I will beat the fuck out of you, okay?
And I'm gonna run down the street. If we was in school and you said, Jasmine, why did you do that? Yeah, I'll be running down the hallway.
Please make it clear.
They over here turning around with the camera.
Don't turn around because she close to right here though.
I keep on closer for.
I bet I can make you stop recording.
No,
you gotta do it. Ain't nothing physical. What you picking up for?
Get back.
Bet I can make you stop.